The distributive property is where we take the term that's outside the parentheses and multiply it times everything inside. So for this first example, we're going to take this -6 and multiply it times this positive 1x and also times this positive 8. -6 times x is just going to be -6x. -6 times positive 8 is -48. In this next example, we have a negative sign out in front, and we can go ahead and put a -1 because that's basically what's happening here. There's a -1 outside that has to be multiplied times everything that's inside the parentheses. So -1 times a is just going to be -1a, or just -a. -1 times -3b, or -3b, is going to be a positive because we have a negative and a negative being multiplied. That'll make a positive 3b. Then in our final example, we have 2x times a positive 1x and times a positive 1. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times positive 1 is positive 2x.